Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ïakren Halor kani ke Jinglong Jingman mentah kani ke nong ba Shillong. Na ke Jingmi kipat ba banyaki badawa ban pengkarya no mardor syakawai pat kajaka yak jai benre Punjabi na po harijan koloni henne kasngi kasantarik ujulio ka kanhon ki MLA jong kasang Indian National Congress hakani ke jela Ïakynduh lang hakayang sa jong noelam jong ka Congress Legislature Party u Dr. Mukul Sangma.
The government has failed in sustaining the peace. The peace that we have restored after a long drawn exercise. We did not just restore peace in the preceding years as we were tasked with the responsibility of taking the whole affairs of governance upon our shoulders. We also did sustain the peace until the transition to the incumbent government. It's a sad thing that within not even completing 3 months, they have messed up everything. And today, the name and fame that we have built over the years for the state, putting the state among the top most favored destination, the name and fame has been adversely affected. It has dislocated, or in other words, derailed the whole momentum of growth and development of the state. This is something which doesn't augur well for the future of the state and for the generation next. That's why it's a concern of every citizen and concern of all of us. We will be urging the government to immediately have a judicial inquiry done and further proceed as per the provisions of the law to restore peace, and is the responsibility of the government to maintain peace, and in the event of any breakdown of law and order situation, to handle them in a manner that enable us to achieve the objective of restoration of peace. Today the whole state is in the whole narrative across the nation, the electronic media, the print media, they talk about the state not for good things, for lawlessness, for failure of the government to contain the whole situation. So it's a failure of the government, and we condemn the incompetent government. The people have lost confidence. People are looking at this government as to what has gone wrong with them. Was it a kind of situation where it should have gone to this extent? Was it a situation where the whole attention of the whole country should be attracted? The whole country, and then people from Delhi, people from MHA, I don't know who is calling the shot. It is a serious matter. We really don't know who is calling the shot. It is the MHA who is calling the shot, or is it the office of the Chief Minister who is calling the shot, or is it the office of the Home Minister of the state who is calling the shot? It's a very dangerous trend. That demonstrates a whole lack of, I must say, the competence level of this government. And at the same time, I am also looking at, the government proactive in making people from outside come and giving their all kinds of statement, allowing them to go and meet those people and giving all kinds of statements. I will demand that they get all the statements recorded, and if there is any event of inflammatory speeches given by those visiting, whoever they are, representing certain political parties or whatever groups, the law must prevail. It's a very dangerous trend. And the way, I see that there's too much of interventions coming from MHA. There's too many, multiple authorities acting on it. I can see it. I have run government for 8 years. I know it. I have been in the government with others as Chief Minister. I know what is happening. I can see between the lines.